In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, you need to scroll down again to tap on Privacy section. Hit Permission Manager and tap on any feature you wish to manage, like Calendar. Now select an app, apply one of those options, allow or don't allow, and go back. As you can see, after that, my app gained access to this device's calendar if I'm using it, and in the background. If you want to, you can also just tap on any app, select the all permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!